Welcome to ScoreAide. This is ATI TEAS Math. If you've not watched video 1 and video 2, I will leave a link toward the end of the video for you to be able to watch that. We talked about converting fractions to decimals, decimals to percentages. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to look for a percent of a number. There is just one quick rule. Looking for a percent of a number, you just have to multiply the percent by the number, right? You just have to multiply the percent and the number. Multiply the percent that they have given you with the number, right? There is just one quick rule. To look for a percent of a number, multiply the percentage that they have given you with the number, right? So, and remember, in mathematics, of is equal to multiplication. Multiplication. Of is equal to multiplication. And we have been given, let's go ahead and look at the first example. The first example says, what is 20% of 50? So this is easy. This is just going to be what? 20. Remember, a percentage is a number, that number divided by 100. So times 50 is going to give us 20 times 50 is equal to 1,000 divided by 100, which is equal to 10. Therefore means 20% of 50 is 10, right? Now let's look at the second example. Again, you can pause, solve it, and you just make sure that you're correct. We have 35% of 80. So this is equal to 35 over 100 times 80. So again, we can go ahead and multiply this. So I know that 35 times 4 is 140. So 140 times 2 is going to give us 280. So this is going to give us 2800 divided by 100, which is going to give us 28. So therefore means that 35% of 80 is 28. Now what about the third example? 50% of 120. All right. Without even solving this, can somebody guess the answer? If you guess the answer correct, just say in the comment section. My guess is that the answer is 60 because 50% is half, right? So half of 120 is going to give us 60. So let's go ahead and look at it. So we have 50 over 100 times 120. Of course, it's going to give us 5 times 4, which is 60. Way. All right. Now, these are some practice questions. So we have 12% of 75. 12% of 75. So 12% of, I will solve one and you will solve the other ones. In fact, I will solve 2. 12% of 75 is equal to 12 over 100 times 75. This is just equal to, in fact, let me show you guys. You don't need a calculator to do this, right? So 12 is just 10 plus 2 times 75. All this divided by 100, right? So this is equal to 75 times 10 is going to give us 750. 2 times 75 is giving us 150. All this divided by 10. And 150 plus 750 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 900. 900 divided by 100 is equal to 9. So 12% of 75 is 9. All right. Now let me solve the last one, and I will let you guys solve the other ones. I will let you guys solve 5% of 240, 27% of 90, and leave the answers in the comment section. Now let's look at 18% of 60. So this is equal to 18 over 100 times 60. All right. This is gonna be equal to, I would say, 1080 over 100, which is equal to 10.8. All right. So that is that. Again, solve this. Solve 5% of 240, 27% of 90, and leave the answers in the comment section. Let me verify. We'll go through them and verify if you had the answer correct. And if you did, that is awesome, right? That would be awesome. Now, again, if you've not watched video 1, which was converting fractions to decimals, and video 2, which was converting decimals to percentages, I will leave a link right ahead of this video. I think it is ahead of this video right now. Click on it. Go watch the playlist, the Start Year ATI TEAS Math playlist. It will give you a better chance of, acing the math section in your ATI TEAS exam. Thank you.